welcome to my channel. So today I thought of making a video on this beautiful book that I recently read, and trust me guys, this book is everything that we all need to read right now. And this book is also called Trust the Universe by Dheeraj Taneja. There is only a Kindle version of this book available on Amazon right now. I will drop in the link in my description below. Totally check it out. This book spoke to me on so many levels that I decided to dedicate an entire video to it because I genuinely believe it will be so helpful for all of you out there. This book is not a heavy read at all and is divided into 9 chapters, and trust me, each chapter will actually speak to you and would make so much sense. There will be something valuable you'll be learning out of each and every chapter of this book. If you guys still don't believe me, I'll be giving you a gist of few of my favorite chapters from this book and you'll know for yourself. So without wasting any more time, let me take you through this wonderful book. First chapter itself was one of my favorite. It is titled Understand Wealth. Especially during this recession time that we all are facing together, it is so important for all of us to understand the importance of saving and focus on spending money on things that we actually need. This book, it talks about the difference between currency and money. So currency is basically the paper notes in a wallet which has no future value, whereas money is a store of value. And in this recession time, it is advisable to acquire more money than currency. This is such an important topic and the author has written it so wonderfully. You guys have to give it a read. And the second chapter that I really liked is confidence. So it is clear that nobody is born with limitless self-confidence. If someone seems to have it, it is because they have worked immensely on themselves. This is the chapter where the author talks about or gives you tips on how you can boost your confidence through the power of visualization. My next favorite is avoid procrastination. I suffer a lot from procrastination and I'm sure most of us do. So in this chapter, author actually gives us tips that how can we avoid it. Author tells us about this rule that he himself follow. It's called instant action rule. How it works is, if you have any important job to do or a task, just give yourself 10 seconds and get to that task within that time. Yes, it's as simple as that. All you need to do is keep your laziness aside for those 10 seconds and just start. Okay, now coming to my most favorite chapter from this book, it's called Understanding Grit. This is the chapter that actually motivated me. So what does grit mean? It means having the perseverance for a long-term and meaningful goal. You can take any successful person for example, and the main reason behind their success is that they knew the power of grit. Basically, they just started the work and didn't back off until it was completed. Without thinking about the outcome or the result, they just kept doing the work. This is what this chapter talks about, having the patience, the perseverance towards your goal. And now coming to the main chapter of this book, which is of course titled as Trust the Universe. This chapter is so beautifully written, in fact the entire book, but this chapter is so very motivational. It says, you are the universe. Our strongest and the most powerful connection that guides us is actually within us. So often we get distracted whenever we feel that we need some external force to help us, face our challenges, but that is not true. Whatever we need is within us. We just need to believe in ourselves. Similarly, this book has many more chapters, many more lessons to learn. The book has such a positive approach to life, and that is exactly what we need right now, to be hopeful and positive about ourselves and everything happening around us. So guys, do give this book a read. Trust me, it will be worth your time. Go click on that link and buy this book right now. Thank you so much all for watching. Until next video, bye bye.